Good afternoon. In this lecture, we will discuss structure-activity relationship of parasympathomimetic agent and synthesis of acetylcholine chloride and physiostigmine. Structure-activity relationship. Let's see the basic skeleton or structure of acetylcholine. It has quaternary ammonium group, ethylene bridge, and acyloxy group. What will happen when the substitutions are carried out at quaternary ammonium group, ethylene bridge, and acyloxy group? Let's see. First part is modification of quaternary ammonium group. The quaternary ammonium group is essential for intrinsic activity and contribute to the affinity of the molecule for the receptors, partially through the binding energy and partially because of its action as a detecting group. The trimethyl ammonium group is the optimal functional moiety for the activity, although some exceptions are known, like pilocarpine, nicotine, and oxoterminomorine, and it shows maximal muscarine activity. Placement of primary, secondary, or tertiary amine leads to decrease in activity. Means when the primary and secondary or tertiary amines are substituted, activity will be decreased. Okay. Next is modification on acyloxy group. Let's see the structure. Where is the acyloxy group? Okay. The ester group of acetylcholine contribute to the binding of the compound to the muscarine receptor. Replacement of methyl group by ethyl or large alkyl group produce inactive compounds. Ester of aromatic or higher molecular weight acid possess cholinergic antagonist activity. Let's see the important part. When the acyloxy group is replaced by ethyl or large alkyl group, it produces inactive compounds or molecule will be inactive. Next is modification on ethylene bridge. Let's see the ethylene bridge in the structure. Okay. The methyl ester is rapidly hydrolyzed by cholinesterase to choline and acetic acid. To reduce susceptibility to hydrolysis, carbamate ester of choline were synthesized and were found to be more stable than carboxylate ester. Placement of alpha substitution in choline moiety result in the reduction of the both nicotine and muscarine activity, but muscarine activity to a greater extent. Incorporation of beta substitution leads to reduction of nicotinic activity to greater extent. Replacement of ester group with ether or ketone produce chemically stable and potent compound. So this is the effect of replacement of these group with another substance on activity. Let's discuss the synthesis of acetylene chloride. The acetylene chloride can be synthesized by the reaction between trimethylamine and chloroethyl acetate, resulting in the synthesis of acetylcholine chloride. Properties: it exists in white crystalline powder or colorless crystal, very hygroscopic in nature, slightly soluble in methylene chloride and soluble in water and alcohol. Medicinal uses: it is a topical ophthalmic drug to induce miosis during certain intraocular surgical procedures such as cataract surgery, radiectomy, penetrating keratoplasty, and other anterior segments of surgery. Systemically administered, acetylcholine is rapidly hydrolyzed by acetylcholinesterase, hence it has no clinical use. It is a cardiac depressant and effective vasodilator. Okay. Storage: it should be stored in well closed ampoules and protected from light. Next is synthesis of physiostigmine. This is the very important synthesis. Phyllostigmine can be synthesized by the reaction between N-methyl phenitidine and bromopropyl bromide with the loss of hydrogen bromide resulting a new intermediate. Further, this intermediate is cyclized or cyclization carried out by aluminum chloride with the loss of hydrogen bromide. A new analog is obtained which is 5-ethoxy 1,3-dimethyl oxynodole, and further this is treated with sodium ethoxide and chloroacetyl chloride with the loss of hydrochloric acid HCl. A new intermediate is formed. Further, this intermediate is treated with nickel based catalyst and a new intermediate is formed. Further, this intermediate is treated with uh, benzyl aldehyde and iodomethane. A new intermediate is further formed. Further, this intermediate is hydrolyzed and hydrolysis is conducted, and reduction is carried out by aluminum chloride. A drug is obtained which is phyllostigmine. So this is the synthesis of reaction for the synthesis of phyllostigmine. Properties and uses. It exists as a white crystalline powder, hygroscopic in nature, soluble in water, freely soluble in alcohol. Phyllostigmine is an oldest anti-cholinesterase agent. It is used in the treatment of glaucoma, penetrate blood-brain barrier, and is employed to organize the toxic CNS effect of anti-muscarine drug, tricyclic depressant, H1 antihistamines, and benzodiazepine. It is also used in the treatment of Alzheimer's disease. This is a very important use. Storage. It should be stored in well-closed airtight glass container to protect and protect it from the light. So synthesis of phyllostigmine is important for the examination. Thank you.